stop being a perfectionist and just start your day one. Now, if you're wondering kung sino tong tao na to na naligaw sa FYP ko and bakit ako makikinig sa kanya, well, I've been in the same situation before kagaya mo. Perfectionist ako. And gusto ko na yung lahat ng mga ginagawa ko is halos dapat walang mali. Perfect nga di ba? And I am here to break that belief and start making actions and check for you to find out kung talaga bang mag-grow ako. Now, this is not really day one of improving myself, but actually day one of taking actions for myself. Kasi there are times na kapag hindi ko nagawa sa isang araw yung kailangan kong gawin, or na-distract ako ng mga ibang bagay like video games or social media, doon na magsa-stop yung progress ko and mawawala na naman yung drive and discipline ko to continue to improve myself. Pero that doesn't mean na nasayang yun. Kasi just like video games, if familiar kayo, there are games na kailangan mong i-reset pabalik sa level 1 yung account mo and dun ka mag-gain ng currency or token na magagamit mo para mag-upgrade ng permanent stats mo. Sa madaling salita, may nag-gain ako ng knowledge na I know magagamit ko soon para sa self ko all throughout my journey. And it will not become possible if you don't start taking actions and stay being a perfectionist and not seeking for improvement. Kasi if you're looking for improvement, take note of this. Paano ka mag-i-improve sa isang bagay kung wala kang i-improve? Sa madaling salita, if gusto mo na yung video mo na to and you're expecting na maging perfect na kaagad kasi nga perfectionist ka, then I'm here to tell you that you will just get stuck sa mga what-ifs mo and wala kang basehan na video kung ano pa ang need mo i-improve sa self mo. So what I can tell you is that just start. Walang mawawala sa'yo. You are doing this for yourself, to improve, to grow, and not everyone has the courage to do that. And if you're still looking for signs, then maybe, just maybe, this is the sign na inaantay mo. So, grow with me. Sabihan mo ako sa journey ko of self-development and personal branding. You can follow me and save this video na to para ma-rewatch mo if feel mo na nawawala ka na naman sa track mo and drive mo to continue for this journey. So, ang palagi mo lang tandaan na ang kailangan mo lang gawin